So what should you do if your child struggles with reading? I want to give you a 3-day simple framework that will help you to identify exactly what the problem is, learn strategies that will help to solve it, and to give you reading specialist tips that will help to boost your child's reading skills without any tears. Now, before we dive in, just a quick note to say that this video is not a substitute for a professional assessment if you or your child's teacher have noticed a learning difference. Now, these methods are based in reading science, and many of these strategies do work for many diagnosed reading challenges. But please keep in mind that this is not a diagnosis tool by any means. And with that said, let's jump into day one. On day one, our goal is to determine the exact skill or skills that your child is struggling with that are the underlying cause for their reading struggles. Now, to make this super easy, I've created a tool that walks you through a series of questions, or you can upload an audio clip of your child reading. The app will then analyze your child's reading and will identify exactly what skill you should be working on with your child. I'll leave a link to this app in the description below that you can grab totally for free. Most reading challenges are going to boil down to your child missing one of these core phonics skills. Phonemic awareness, can your child actually hear the sounds inside of words? Phonics, do they know certain letters represent those sounds? Blending, can your child smoothly blend a series of sounds together without stopping all the way to the end of the word? Segmenting, can your child break apart a word into its individual sounds? And manipulation, can your child change sounds within the word to create a new word? Once you know exactly what the reading struggle is, you'll know exactly where to spend your time rather than just throwing more and more books at them and hoping for something different. By the end of day one, you'll have a clear snapshot of your child's reading profile so that on day two, we can start applying targeted reading strategies specific to your child. The Reading Analysis app will actually give you a breakdown of activities that you can start using right away to start targeting those skills with your child. So let's say that your child reads a word like instant and says words like inner or inside. Then you know that your child's not really paying attention to the rest of the letters. They're really just focusing on that first one. So for this reading struggle, it would identify that your child needs to start retraining their brain to look at the letters right to the end of the word. Now here's a reading specialist tip for how to do this. Get your child to start reading nonsense words like gren or remitish. These words are unfamiliar, so it's going to force your child to have to look at every sound right to the end because they can't guess it. It's not a real word. Now, I know these can be really tedious to come up with, so I've actually created a nonsense words flashcard bundle that you can use digitally with your child to help them to overcome this habit of guessing. There's a range of levels going from 2-letter blends for very early readers all the way up to 2- and 3-syllable words for older kids who are just struggling to sound out really long words. It's a super easy and really effective way of getting your child to remember to read right to the end of the word. You can grab the Nonsense Flashcards bundle down in the description below. Now, another example of something that might be identified is if your child is struggling to blend words together smoothly. Maybe they're a really choppy blender, or they read all of the sounds and then come out with something completely different. So here's what I would do for this one. Have them look at 2-letter blends together and keep the final letter covered. Have them really work hard on blending those 2 first sounds together with no spaces in between. And then once they're holding out that last sound, reveal the last letter and have them read it in continuous blending. So it's going to look something like this. You'll say, have your child say, sun, or this one, So they're really focusing on holding that blend out and then getting that last sound in so that it just all flows together really well. This strategy is called continuous blending, and I actually have a bonus set of flashcards in that nonsense word flashcard bundle that you can grab in the description below that will help your child to work on this specific skill. Now, day 3 is going to be the most important, and I've got a really handy trick for you to make this super engaging for your child. On this day, we're going to take all the skills that your child has been working on and apply them in a really cool way. Now, if your child is anything like mine, they have a specific something that interests them. For my daughter, it's pandas. For my son, Ninjago. So go over to Claude.ai or ChatGPT and put in this prompt specific to your child. Write a 30-word story about a panda that uses only 3 or 4-letter CVC or CVCC words for a kindergarten student. Do not use long vowel patterns like CVCE words. Now watch. It has created a story that will interest my daughter and give her a chance to practice her blending skills with something she's super excited to read. Now, if you need help coming up with your prompt, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. So now you can get started on day 1 with your child by starting a reading analysis with that tool in the description box. Or if you prefer, just comment tool on this video and I'll be sure to send you the link. And if your child is approaching the age of 8 and you're worried that they're still not reading, in this video I talk about why it's important for your child to learn to read by 8 and exactly how to do it. So if that sounds like your kiddo, watch this video next.